Hi, I'm Christina, also known as Eggy Mama. Come pack with me as I get ready for my work trip to San Diego and Los Angeles. It will be across 4 nights, including a red-eye flight home back to Philadelphia. I want to get it all into one carry-on suitcase and my trusty work book bag. So if you're ready, let's go. And I promise to leave you behind with 3 packing tips.
Alright, let's get started. I first like to start with my planner. This is my work planner. It's a Sterling Ink Undated Common Planner, size A6. So since I'm going to be in the West Coast, I like to start with putting the time zone so there's no confusion. The first day I'm going to be at a customer site. It's with some VPs. It's going to be pretty high level. And then on the second day, it's a team meeting for sales, followed by team dinner. So it's going to be a little bit more casual. So some jeans and maybe a nice shirt. Later that night, I'm going to be driving up the coast to Thousand Oaks. My second customer meeting is going to be Thursday afternoon. It's with director levels, so I don't need to do a full suit. And then immediately afterwards, I'll be driving to LAX, getting ready for my red eye. So when I'm not at my customer meetings, I will be on some Zoom calls, and in between I hope to get some runs or hikes in while I'm in the area. That brings me to tip number 1. Always plan ahead and plan for each event and each day so you can plan your wardrobe accordingly. And brings us to tip number 2. Pack your socks inside your shoes. This protects your shoes as they're inside your suitcase and also saves some space for you. I do like to roll my clothes and put them in this side of the suitcase because it does zip up, so it protects everything and keeps it safe in case there's some sort of spill from my toiletries. So I also plan ahead and take a look at what toiletries I want to take for my trip. I'll refill them before I pack them away. Brings me to tip number 3. Pack all your toiletries to the top of your bag so it's easy to access. And I always like to keep my blazer in a separate bag, again to protect it from any spills, and I'll reuse this bag later for some of my laundry items at the end of the trip. Well, so that's it. We're all packed and we're ready to go. Thanks for watching.